Welcome back to Upcoming Car, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today we're diving into the all-new 2025 Dodge Dude, a truck that's redefining the mid-size pickup segment. Dodge has a reputation for delivering bold designs and powerful performance, and the Dodge Dude is no exception. From its aggressive styling to its cutting-edge features, this truck is ready to shake things up. Let's start with the design. Dodge has given the Dude a muscular and modern look with a bold front grille, sleek LED headlights, and a sculpted body that screams confidence. It's not just about looking tough though, the aerodynamics have been fine-tuned to improve efficiency and performance. The attention to detail is evident, from the sharp lines on the hood to the rugged wheel arches that house 20-inch all-terrain tires. Whether you're cruising on the highway or taking on off-road adventures, this truck makes a statement. Under the hood, the 2025 Dodge Dude offers impressive powertrain options. The base model comes equipped with a 2.7-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that produces 310 horsepower and 430 pound-feet of torque. But for those who crave more power, Dodge also offers a 5.7-liter HEMI V8 with e-turbo technology, delivering 395 horsepower and 410 pound-feet of torque. Both engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission for smooth and responsive performance. With a maximum towing capacity of 8,000 pounds, the Dude is ready to handle your toughest with ease. The suspension system is designed to provide a comfortable ride without compromising capability. It features a coil spring rear suspension that offers better handling and ride quality compared to traditional leaf springs. Optional adaptive dampers adjust to the terrain, making it perfect for both city streets and rugged trails. Plus, the available 4-wheel drive system ensures you have the traction you need in any condition. Step inside and you'll find a cabin that blends ruggedness with modern tech. The 2025 Dodge Dude offers a spacious and well-appointed interior with premium materials and intuitive controls. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a massive 12-inch touchscreen running Dodge's latest to connect system. It's compatible with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even comes with a built-in voice assistant. Whether you're streaming music, navigating, or checking vehicle stats, everything is just a tap or voice command away. Safety is also a priority for Dodge. The Dude comes loaded with advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system for added confidence on the road. Whether you're navigating tight parking spots or cruising on the highway, these features have you covered. What sets the Dodge Dude apart is its versatility. It's not just a workhorse, but also a lifestyle vehicle. The optional panoramic sunroof, wireless charging, and premium sound system elevate the driving experience. Plus, the available Rambox cargo management system adds practical storage solutions that make it easy to stay organized. The 2025 Dodge Dude is more than just a truck. It's a statement. With its bold design, powerful performance, and advanced features, it's ready to take on whatever life throws your way. So whether you're hauling, towing, or just hitting the road for fun, the Dodge Dude has you covered. That's all for today. Let us know in the comments what you think about the 2025 Dodge Dude. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Upcoming Car for more updates on the latest vehicles. Stay tuned for our next video.